Well, hello friends. Let's start with practice set 5.3. Practice set 5.3 शुरू करने से पहले आपको दो फॉर्मूला याद रखना होगा. That is a plus b the whole cube which gives us a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. ये फॉर्मूला हमने पिछले practice set 5.2 में भी यूज किया था. Now there is a new formula that is a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube. फर्क इतना है कि यहाँ पे जो प्लस है यहाँ पे है सिर्फ माइनस होगा. 3a square b plus 3ab square और यहाँ पे भी minus b cube आएगा. So we'll apply the second formula that is a minus b the whole cube in the first question, that is expand. Let's see. 2m minus 5. So यहाँ पे 2m is a and b is 5. So I'll apply the formula that is a cube, that is 2m cube minus 2m the whole square into 5 plus 3 into 2m into 5 the whole square, then minus 5 the whole cube. Now 2m cube, so 2 का cube is 8, m is m cube minus यहाँ पे 2 का square होगा, so it will be 4, so it will be 3 into 4m square into 5 plus this will be 3 into 2m plus 5 the whole square will be 25 minus 5 the cube is 125. So हम जो बीच का टर्म्स है उसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 8m cube minus 3 into 4 is 12. 12 into 5 is 60m square plus 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 25 is 150 m minus 125. So this becomes your final answer. Second sum, 4 minus p the whole cube. Let's apply the second formula. So यहाँ पे 4 will be your a and p will be your b. So 4 the whole cube minus 3 4 square into दोनों में into p plus 3 into 4 into p the whole square minus p the whole cube. Now 4 का cube will be your 64, that is 4 into 4 is 16 and 16 into 4 is 64 minus 3 into 4 square will be 60 p plus 3 into 4 will be your 12 into p square minus p cube. Now the middle term will multiply it. 64 minus 3 into 6 will be 48p plus this will be 12p square minus p cube. Just make sure that this is 12p square. So this becomes your final answer. Third question, 7x minus 9y the whole cube. Let's apply the second formula. So 7x यहाँ पे a हो जाता है, 9y will be b. So we'll apply. So it will be 7x the whole cube minus 3 into 7x the whole square into 9y plus 3 into 7x into 9y the whole square minus this will be 9y the whole cube. So 7x the whole cube will be 343x cube. पिछले एक्सरसाइज में हमने 7 का क्यूब निकाला था. So minus यहाँ पे फर्स्ट हम स्क्वायर करेंगे. 3 into 7 square will be 49 और x पे स्क्वायर आ जाएगा. That is into 9y plus 3 into 7x into 9 square will be 81y square minus 9y square. हाँ, आप पहले भी मल्टीप्लाई करके आप डायरेक्ट आंसर लिख सकते हो, बट we'll write it in a systematic and step by step. So 343x cube minus यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा ट्रिक की समझो. You multiply the big number first, that is 49 into 9. Because बड़े नंबर को छोटे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना में बहुत सिंपल हो जाता है. So if you see 49 into 9 को जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, so आपको मिलेगा 1, that is 441. 9 9s are 81 and 8 gets carried. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 8 will be 441. and you can write x square and y together. Over here also you multiply 7 into 81. So 3 into this will be 7 and this will be 567 y square minus 9 ka, sorry, this will be over cube over here. So 9 ka cube will be 729. Yes, 729 y cube. 729 y cube. Now you multiply 3. देखो अभी ये जो बड़ा नंबर है 441 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना, सो बहुत ही सिंपल हो जाता है. सो दिस विल बी 343 x cube minus 3 into 1 will be 3, 3 into 4 will be 12, 1 gets carried, 1 3 2 3. So x square y plus 3 into 756, 3 into 756 will give me 1 gets carried, 3 6 18, 2 1701 y square minus 729 y the whole cube. Therefore, the final answer of the third question is this. Question number 4, 58 raised to cube. यहाँ पे if you see it's only one term. So to apply this formula we need two terms. Okay, we'll split 58 as 60 minus 2. Okay, 58 को हमने 60 minus 2 लिखा. Now you can apply a minus b the whole cube, where a is 60 and b is 2. So applying the formula, 60 the whole cube minus 3 into 60 the whole square into 2 plus 3 into 60 into 2 the whole square minus 2 the whole cube. Now 60 the whole cube will be 6 into 6 we know is 36, 36 into 6 is 6, 216, so 3 zeros, okay, minus 3 into 6 ka 60 ka square will be 3600 into 2 plus this will be 3 into 60 into 4 minus 2 ka cube will be 8. Now we'll multiply the middle terms. So this will be 21600 minus, we can see 3 into 2 is 6 and 6 into 36 will give us 00216 plus 3 into 4 is 12, 12 into 6 is 72, so we get 720 minus 8. So you first subtract whatever the answer you get, you add with the 720, then you subtract with 8. So the final answer, if you see, let's subtract that. 21600, another 0, then 00612, then you get, first we subtract this, 0 0, this will be 5 and this will be 10, you will get 4, you will get 4, this will be 1, this will be 11, you get 9 and 1. Then you add 720, 720, you will get this as 0, 2, 11, 1 gets carried, 5, 9, 1, then minus 8. So when you do minus 8, you get 1951, 1, 2. याद रखना यहाँ पे minus 8 करना. So after subtracting minus 8 with this number, you get the answer as 195112. This is your final answer. Fifth question, यहाँ पे भी 198 the whole cube there. So यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही term दिया. So we'll do same as the previous sum. So we can write this as 200 minus 2 the whole cube. I am writing 200 minus 2 because it becomes very easy to find the 200 the whole cube. That is 2 का ही cube ढूंढना होता है. That is nothing but 8. फिर आपको बस 0 ऐड करना होता है. So let's apply this formula. So 200, यहाँ पे A is 200 and B is 2. So 200 the cube minus 3 into 200 the whole square into 2 plus 3 into 200 into 2 the whole square minus 2 the क्यूब. So अब इसका क्यूब करेंगे तो it's nothing but 2 का क्यूब करना, that is 8. फिर 2 0 से will 3 times, so we'll write it down, that is 6. You get minus 3 into 200, the whole square will be nothing but 4 zeros into 2 plus 3 into 200 into 4 minus 2 cube is 8. Now this will be your 8 lakh 3 into 4. Now when you multiply this, so you get 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are, we can write 24 plus 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 12 into 2 will be 24. So this we get as 0 minus 8. Now let's subtract this. So we'll write it over here, 8 with 6 zeros, then 24 with 4 zeros, then 0 4, sorry that's double zeros, 4 2. We'll first subtract this. We get 0 0 0 0 7, this will be 9, this will be 10, 6 7 7. Then you add, you will add 2400, so you get 0 0 4 2 6 7 7. So when you subtract 8, you get 7 7 6 2 3 9 2. Therefore the final answer you can just 7 7 6 2 3 9 2, which you get as 77,62,392. Therefore this is your final answer. Sixth question, 2p minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube. Let's apply the second formula. So this will be 2p the whole cube minus 3 into 2p the whole square into 1 upon 2p plus 3 into 2p into 1 upon 2p the whole square minus, this will be 1 upon 2p the whole cube. So 2p the whole cube will be, 2 cube will be 8, p will be p cube minus 2p square. So now if you see there's a 2p in the denominator, that is in a fraction, so you can cancel this and you are left with only one 2p, okay, plus 3 into, over here also you can cancel 1 and you will left with 1 upon 2p minus, this will be 1 upon 8p cube. Cube है, so 2 का cube 8 हो जाएगा और p raised to cube. Now here 8p cube, 3 into 2 will be 6p plus this will be 3 upon 2p minus this will be 8p cube. Therefore this becomes your final answer. Seventh question, 1 minus 1 upon a the whole cube. So over here our 1 becomes a and this part, the fraction part, becomes the b. So 1 the whole cube minus 3 into 1 the whole square into 1 upon a plus 3 into 1 into 1 upon a the whole square, then minus 1 upon a the whole cube. So here 1 minus 3 into 1 square is 1 ka square is 1, 3 into 1 will be, you will get 3a plus this will you will get as 1 upon a the whole square should be 3 upon a square. You multiply 3 into 1 into 1, so that gives you 3 and this will be 1 upon a cube. Therefore I think this should be your final answer. Eighth question, x upon 3 minus 3 upon x the whole cube. Now here x upon 3 becomes your a and 3 upon x will be your b. For the simple sum, let's see, let's apply the formula. X upon 3 the whole cube minus 3 into x upon 3 the whole square into 3 upon x, right? Let me write this as 3 plus 3 into x upon 3 into x, sorry, 3 upon x the whole square minus 3 upon x the whole cube. Now this should be your x cube upon 3 ka square will be 27 minus 3 into the square will be x square upon 9 into 3 upon x plus 3 into x upon 3 into this will be your 27 upon x square minus 3 cube will be sorry this should be your 9. Okay, this should be your 9. 3 cube will be 27 upon x cube. So over here x and 1x will get cancelled. 9 will get cancelled and you will get 3 over here, and this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. You are left with x cube upon 27 minus x plus यहाँ पे भी कुछ कैंसिलेशन कर सकते हैं हम. यहाँ पे x और x कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 3 और 3 से कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So you're left with 3 into 3 will give you 9 upon x, and this will give you minus 27 x the whole cube. Therefore, this is your final answer.